Chain's off. Your chain's off. Your chain popped off.
Oh shit! It did. Well, that sucks. It hit the rock.
Yep. I heard it clank when it hit the rock, and I'm like, what's going on there? And your bike stopped moving. I'm like, oh, the chain's off.
That's not a good place for that. Shit. Well, it's still a better place than I was.
Yeah.
Okay, stop. Ooh. All right. I think I got it. Oh.
Whew.
What do you think?
Well, it's...
But I am getting tired of hanging onto it.
So, let me try to pull it up.
What's that? Well, I need to get the back tire up, like where I am. So
Yeah.
if I just let the bike flop on its side, if you can hang onto the front wheel so it doesn't fall in the holes, then I can make it.
Right.
So I'm going to drop it. Okay. Oh yeah. There we go.
Got it?
That's better. Way better. Oh yeah.
Oh.
That's better. Because yeah, I was like hanging off that.
Yeah.
Not good. It might actually even be better to turn the thing around and go that way with it. Because yeah, that's a fairly, this is pretty steep here.
Well, it's getting washed out.
Yeah.
Faster there.
Huh?
You can't do it faster down there. Are we falling? Or we just moving?
It's a hill climb there.
What are we going to do?
We're going to go up it. You want to go up it?
Uh-huh.
Hey, remember. Don't put your hand like that. Keep your hand both like this. Really tight. Push back on yourself. Keep yourself from going over the handlebars. Okay?
Uh-huh.
And you have to make sure that you move your foot out of the way because I can't reach the brake right here. Okay? What?
I feel we'll get tired.
Let's put them on top of mine. So, ready? Look at that, big bug. Is it a spider? Right there. Right there. Right there. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. You don't want to break in the floor.